Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to Binance. First of all, you need to launch your MetaMask mobile application, and here you need to make sure that the Ethereum main network is selected over here. If it is not selected, then tap on this drop down menu in the top and select your Ethereum main network first. After that, tap on Ethereum, and here you will be able to see various types of options like buy, sell and send. So you just have to tap on the send option, and then it will ask you to provide the receiving address. So in order to get that address, you need to launch your Binance application, then tap on the add funds in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on deposit crypto, and here in the search bar you need to search for Ethereum. Now once you are able to find Ethereum, it will ask you to choose the network. So you need to make sure that ERC20 network is chosen. Then you will be able to see the QR code and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy that from here. Then come back to your MetaMask account and paste the address in the section. After that, on the next page, you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer, and then you just have to simply initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get your Ethereum into your Binance account. Now from transferring from MetaMask, it may take up to 10 minutes, so you just have to be patient and you will be able to get your crypto, that is Ethereum, into your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.